Hello everyone, I hope you all been having a wonderful day. My name is Rachel Cho, a senior at Barnard College, and I've been interning at Jaseng Medical Academy since this August. I'm here to tell you about this year's upcoming AJA conference, which is hosted by the Arkansas Colleges of Health Education and Jaseng Medical Academy. The theme of this conference will be Enhancing Self-Healing Power Through Healthcare, which will feature renowned professionals including Dr. Junshik Shin and Dr. Rance McLean. The virtual gala will be held on October 29, 2021 at 9 a.m. KST, which is 8 p.m. EST. The actual AJA conference will be held on November 21, 2021, also at 9 a.m. KST. For more detailed information, please visit the official AJA conference website at ajaconference.com. In this video, I will be unboxing the $250 VIP package that is offered at the conference. Following the unboxing, I will be testing the Sangwa tea that was included in this VIP package. So here's the VIP package, which is a beautiful and sturdy blue box. I love the silver lettering around the box and how it was written, "Compassion for Others," here on the side. Upon opening the box, we're presented with a tidy display of the box's goodies. Hang on tight, because we're going to go through them one by one. Let's start with our invitation card and post. I was so touched to receive a customized invitation with my own name printed on it. As you can see, the invitation provides useful information about the AJA conference. Next is the other invitation card, which displays the event's name in stunning in gold letters. Now we're getting to the good part, the actual gifts of the package. I started with the pen, which was a sleek silver pen conveniently sized for all your written needs. Following the pen is the USB drive, which provides a whopping 36 gigabytes of storage. The most storage on a USB I've ever gotten was 16 gigabytes, so I was really happy that this was included in the gift box. Thank you, Jaseng. Next, I would like to show off these cute little pins that represent the host institutions of the conference, Jaseng Medical Academy and the Arkansas Colleges of Health Education. Another item included was this handy mug with 5 packets of Sangwa tea, which I am going to do a tea testing session later in the video. Appropriately, Jaseng has also gifted me with a spoon that I could use to stir tea with. Now you might be wondering, that's it? But that's not all. Underneath this first layer was a collection of books and brochures. This first book is about herniated spinal discs, which was neatly wrapped in a protected layer of plastic. There were also several informational brochures that provided insight into the history of traditional Korean medicine, Sangwa tea, etc. Finally, on the very bottom of the box were 2 booklets, one about Jaseng's history and mission, and the other, which is a summarized document about 2019's conference. By the way, there's going to be another similar booklet summarizing this year's conference. Oh, and there were also slippers provided separately from the VIP box. They were a nice navy color and extremely comfortable and sturdy. With that, this concludes our unboxing journey. I was so pleased with all the gifts, and I appreciated how Jaseng has placed so much thought into the products and the design. But stay tuned, this is not the end. Remember the Sangwa tea that was included in the box? Well, we're going to test it out right after this clip. Sangwa is a traditional Korean tea made with a number of medical herbs such as dried roots of white woodland peony, Rehmannia, Mongolian milkvetch, Korean angelica, cinnamon barks, and Chinese licorice. It may also come with nuts such as walnuts and pine nuts. It is known for its therapeutic and energizing effects, particularly towards common illnesses such as colds. It is certainly an acquired taste, as it is a slightly bitter tea. But once you get used to it, you start tasting its richness and subtle sweetness as you drink. Hi, welcome to Tea Time with Rachel. You can drink Sangwa with or without raw egg yolk, which can thicken its consistency and neutralize the bitter taste. Even during the heat of summer, I enjoyed the Sangwa tea. Not only was it calming and delicious, but I felt more vitalized afterwards. I definitely recommend those who are interested to try the Sangwa tea. Again, the virtual gala will be held on October 29th, while the AJA conference will be held on November 21st, both at 9 a.m. KST. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you there at the conference coming soon. Thank you!